In this video, we will be taking you through how to use receipt capture on QuickBooks Online. You can capture receipts from your mobile device, categorize receipts from your mobile app or online, and set up a customized email address for sending in receipts. Receipt capture lets you capture images of receipts and bills and link them to expenses in QuickBooks. Let's go over how you can capture and categorize your receipts from your mobile device. To start, open the QuickBooks Online mobile app and tap Snap Receipt. Click the edges of your receipt paper inside the corners. A green box will display the coverage of your receipt. You can rotate or crop the photo or take another photo if needed when you're ready. Select Use this photo. QuickBooks will extract the data from your receipt. You can see this by going to the menu, then Shortcuts, then Receipt Snap. Tap on the receipt to edit. It's important to make sure the categories you select are correct. In this example, we are reviewing the transaction, categorizing this as an office expense, and ensuring that we add the correct tax type. We then select Save. Also take note that you need to match the expense created to the For Review Banking tab. This step is very important. Otherwise, you will be duplicating your expenses. Make any changes you need, then save and close, then create the expense or match it to an existing expense. Once you create your expense, your receipt will move to the Reviewed tab and you'll see your expense in your books. You'll see any receipts you snap with your phone that you still need to review or match. From here, you can edit the receipt details, make sure the accounts and other details are correct. You'll see any receipts you snap in your phone that you will need to review or match from here. You can edit the receipt details, making sure the accounts and other details are correct. You can also upload receipts from your computer or Google Drive. Some more things to take note of. Users with permission can send in receipts. They send from the email address they use to sign into QuickBooks. Each receipt image must be a single image, but attaching multiple images to an email is okay. You can create a custom email address for receiving receipts. Note that you must be an admin user to do this. Select Forward from Email, then enter the name you would like to use for this address. Then select Next, verify your address, then select Done. Select Manage Forwarding Email and toggle on for any users you want to give permission to forward receipts to this address. If you need to add a user, you can do so here. Users with permission can take pictures of their receipts and send them to your custom email address. Now you're ready to manage your receipts using QuickBooks Online and the QuickBooks Online mobile app. For more resources including self-help articles, visit our Learn and Support page.